Check this out. Oh man, James is gonna hate this. Did he miss this? Look at this. We got a dam. We got dirt trails. We got water. It's cool. Very cool. We got ducks. The only thing we don't have is James. You know? So sad. Anyway, is it gonna dump me somewhere? Is it gonna let me go over there? Or what am I doing here? Huh. Somehow, oh yeah, okay. We're good. We're good. I'm gonna have to use my map to get back. Oh, there's the bridge. Okay, this is what James was talking about. Needless to say, he gave me some directions. And it was so sad. He was like talking and telling me like where I should go, and he kept saying I can't go, and you know, it was just sad, you know, the whole thing. So anyhow, we're gonna go on this ride for James. This ride is for James. Okay. Cool dam. I really don't know where I'm going, so I'm kind of just going, and we'll see where I wind up, you know. I've got all my pads. Tons of pads, just in case. You never know. But anyway, got some graffiti up here. That's cool, I guess. Maybe we'll take a picture with our bike and the graffiti. That'll be neat. Yeah. Be a little artistic picture for the Instagrams. Okay. We'll send it to James. All right. We're off. See, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to remember exactly like how to get back. So I'll have to use the map, because you know, that's where I parked my car, and just use my original address just to get back, you know. Anyway, James is definitely gonna want to come here, because already this place is pretty cool. Yawning, people. It's not to say that anything's putting me to sleep. It's just that, you know, just a little fatigue, that's all. All that emotional support I had to give to James wore me out, you know. Okay, we're up here. I don't exactly know what we're doing. We got some sort of, all right. What's up, fellas? Making friends everywhere I go. It's not the BMXers, it's the old timers. All right. Back at it. Anyway, feels good to be padded up, people. Too many mishaps of late that I'm not a big fan of. Okay, maybe we're gonna screw the bridge, you know, and we'll go to the right. Can I do that? Is that even possible? I'm not seeing much. What's this? A little tributary or something. One thing I can say is some of the coolest places I've ever found are just like that. I found them. I stumbled upon them. So who knows? Let's go on and be something badass. You know, maybe there's an amusement park where they're giving out free tickets and free cotton candy and free popsicles, which I could certainly go for right now because it's very hot. So you never know. You gotta be in it to win it, people. In it to win it. Anyway, I think I see the biggest pile of shit I've ever seen in my life. Is that a pile of shit? Oh man, I thought that was like horse shit. It was like the biggest, like, Tyrannosaurus Rex size shit. Okay. We got like abandoned teepees over there. Needless to say, when you're flying solo, you gotta be a little more careful than usual because you never know what could happen. You're all by yourself. You got no backup. You know what I mean? This is interesting. We literally found a cliff. Look at this, people. You could jump off this. A literal cliff. You guys seeing this? Damn. Anyway, beautiful scenery. Very nice scenery. And if only I had a kickstand, I could take a beautiful shot of this, you know? And we're going around a golf course again. Oh, there's a lake right there. Is that where we're supposed to be going? On a lake, people. I'm guessing this is Lake Balboa. Based on the signs, you know. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, we found a cool lake. Found a total bus. Found a hammock. Oh, that's pretty cool. Check it out. There's the Canadian say, let's check it out. Check it out. Yeah, that's a nice little lake. Ooh, they can rent the Surreys, you know, these little four-wheel whatever bikes, four-wheel drive bike, not four-wheel drive, four-wheel pedal bikes, you know. That's pretty cool. I mean, it turned this little ride into something, you know, it's not nothing. These are just a little lake and a pad. It amazes me that people have 2 ears covered up with headphones. You can't hear a goddamn thing. You could literally sneak up on them and do anything. Steal their bag, whatever the hell you want to do. And they would have no clue you were even there, you know? Now I'm determined to go around this freaking lake. And when you got people in the way, you gotta go off grid, people. Look at this. This is pretty badass. See this? Pretty cool, huh? You could ride right into the water. Right into the water. That'd be something. That would cool me off. Definitely. See, I don't know why you'd be renting a boat. Where are you going? Not much going on here. Like the boat ride would be like 4 minutes. Maybe it's like $5 for 4 minutes or something. So you see like the guy who's in front of you like take the boat and you're like, damn it, I missed the boat. And the guy's like, oh, that's all right, just wait 5 minutes. And the guys come back, you know. What's all that? Where does this take you? Into nowhere land, people. What is this? It literally takes me to like Stonehenge. Huh. Going off grid, people. I don't exactly know where I'm going or what's happening or why or where we're gonna wind up. And we're just doing it for the sake of doing it. You know? It's like Mount Olympus. do when you get up here? Huh. I don't know. Just finding some hills, people. Some random hills. We're taking them for what it's worth. Damn, I don't want my phone to go flying out. Ugh. Turbulence. Wind up back at the lake. Feels like the lake. See, we're back at the lake. There's another bridge. That's not what they were talking about. See, if you're walking, these trails would be badass because it's all over the place. But when you're riding, and you can literally get somewhere in like 3 seconds, it's like, wow, that was pretty quick. Now what? You know what I mean? Maybe I just need to go slow. If I was going like 4 miles an hour, everything would be great. This would have been an amazing ride, you know? Maybe it's all about speed. Maybe I just went too fast, you know? All right, people. Heading back to the truck.
Go past this light.
Calling it a day.
The next one. Turn right onto Victory Boulevard.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. God bless. Peace out.